Hi, this video is going to be on honour in Othello. Now, at the beginning of the play, we have Othello trying to prove his honourable characteristics to Brabantio, and he has been worried about his own reputation, his higher class reputation, being tainted by his daughter's marriage to Othello. And although he does come round to blessing the marriage, he does so somewhat unwillingly. And we also have Othello worrying about his reputation too. So when he thinks Desdemona has been unfaithful to him, he says being cuckolded would have tainted his reputation. And we also see him believing Iago because he thinks he's an honourable man. And with Desdemona's reputation and honour, we see Emilia defending it rather than Othello or Desdemona herself. In fact, Desdemona protects Othello's honour more than she does her own. And we also see Cassio. Now, Cassio's reputation is very important to him. When he's demoted, he says that he has lost the immortal part of himself, referring to his reputation. And we also see Iago being jealous of Cassio's reputation and high status, which in part is why he chose Cassio to play a role in his evil plan so he could destroy this. So hopefully you can see how honour is important to the characters in the play. Thanks for listening.